Alright, YouTube, back with the XC Mad Drift. This is my second pass for today. And yesterday I did about 5 passes. Unfortunately, I didn't get the number I want to beat, so I'm back out here still trying. So anyway, the GPS is zeroed out. Timer started. Hope y'all see that. Go ahead and get this passing while this road is clear. Battery is not fully charged, but still gonna get my passing. We got a car coming. Let's see if we beat him. That ain't sound good though. I blew something out. Hit 107 that time. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna walk with that. 107 on 6S. Let me show y'all the setup. Take that. Sound like something blew out, like I blew a bearing or something. I heard something, I don't know. It is what it is. All a part of the game. I'm gonna claim this the world fastest XC Mad Drift on 6S. So if you see one faster, let me know. But I did hit 108, but it wasn't a clean pass. It did flip and came back to me. This one ain't flipped, nothing. So I'm gonna record that as a clean pass. Show y'all this 6S. Y'all can count the wires. One battery. Same motor I told y'all I had in there. That HPI torque motor. 107. So now I think I'm gonna run this motor probably again on 8S, so y'all stay tuned for that. Then after that I'm throwing the TP in here and then we're gonna take it to the moon. Anyway, I know I could go faster with this motor, but I know this motor's been run hell of a lot, so it don't got that much in it. So I got a brand new TP waiting for it to pull some numbers and drag race with it. So y'all stay tuned. And I'm gonna drop all the videos now of all the passes I did yesterday, which was about 5, and then I did one right before this one. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Damn. Come y'all. Hope y'all seeing that. Oh, banged up down there. Seeing that. I don't know what that was. That was a chunk. Foam. I don't even think that was foam, y'all. I think that was something on the road.